YouTube, welcome back to the spot. Hopefully we can murder out that boredom today. So I was wrenching on the gentleman's mower, and another guy, he said he let his neighbor borrow his mower, and the dang on thing, he said he thought it lost power. He took it home, he ran it. He said it didn't lose power in the sense that it's not running. It lost, I guess it lost its throttle, like it's idling very low. It's underpowered, I guess would be the appropriate phrase. So I told him I'd idle it up for him, and we about to get it going. So let's get it, guys. So let's see what it does. He said the only way to, for the moment is to pull the plug. Okay, the reason I pulled the boot is because he has the throttle bar zip tie, and I just don't want to break the zip tie. He's a disabled gentleman. He only has one arm to push his mower, so I don't want to affect what he got going on. So it definitely sounds underpowered, so we about to idle it up, guys. All right, we got to remove the recoil starter. Okay, guys, here we go. This is where your idle linkage is. So what's happening is when you pull that, you can see this pulls back, which moves this. But something feels wrong here. Let's see what he got going on. Okay. Okay, so what we need is a tighter spring. You can see right there, it's a little worn out. We need a spring that basically holds it tighter when it runs. It's an easy fix. All right, there it is, guys. You see the neck is really shortened. So we're just gonna throw her back on. Hook her on. Bam. Let's fire up. Get some gas in there. check the tension of this. There it is, guys. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.